Capsim 2025 Round 3 Winning Strategies, full step-by-step lecture. Hello and welcome back to our Capsim 2025 video series, where we share the top 10 winning tips to help you master the game and score the highest results. In this session, we'll walk you through Round 3, which is a critical turning point in your Capsim journey. By the end of this round, if your strategies are implemented correctly, you'll start to see significant differences in sales, profits, and competitive position. Quick recap before we dive in: make sure you've watched the videos on Round 1 and Round 2. They show you how to set the foundation with R&D, pricing, forecasting, and production. In this Round 3 video, we will cover how to update your products, add new products, set prices, forecast demand, make production decisions, adjust automation, allocate HR and finance resources, review performance indicators. Let's begin. Key principle before we start: remember, do not copy the exact numbers from this video. Every Capsim game is different depending on the industry conditions, student choices, and simulation timing. The strategy is always reliable, but the specific values must be adjusted to your own game. If you're unsure about any numbers, always refer to your industry condition report, or feel free to reach out via email. You can also download the free Excel forecasting file linked under the video. Step 1. Update your products, R&D. In Round 3, we continue improving our products. For example, in the low-end segment, we updated to 7.1 size and 12.9 performance. In the traditional segment, we might go around 5.9 and 7.8. Again, these numbers are for illustration only. You must check your own segment drift and plan based on where your product needs to be positioned to meet customer expectations. We also add a new product in the high-end or performance segment. For example, we may set it around 13.2 performance and 13.4 size. The goal is to prepare early for high-growth segments in future rounds. This strategy follows the broad differentiation approach, which focuses on providing high-quality products in every segment. It ensures strong revenue and long-term profitability. Step 2. Set pricing strategy. Next, we move to marketing decisions. We decrease the price by 50 cents per round for most segments to stay competitive. For example, traditional, from $34 to $33.05 low end, reduce slightly based on your report. For new products, introduce at mid to high price levels. This small but consistent adjustment helps you maintain customer demand while still earning strong margins. Step 3. Promotion and sales budget. Promotion and sales are crucial in Round 3. We recommend $2,000 for both promotion and sales budgets for established products, $1,000, $1,500 for new products. This ensures high awareness and accessibility, which directly impacts market share. Step 4. Sales forecasting. Forecasting is the backbone of every successful Capsim decision. Here's how you do it. Open report number 4, marketing report. Take last round's unit sales and ending inventory. Use this to calculate demand trend in Round 3. Overall market demand tends to be stable or slightly declining. So, you can keep forecast at 100% of last round's sales or reduce slightly if you had high leftover inventory. Pro tip: never over forecast. It leads to high inventory costs and lost profits. Step 5. Production planning. Once forecast is done, input it into the production module. Match production equals forecast. Inventory. Always add a small buffer if needed. Adjust for any product phase-outs or new product launches. Next, review automation and capacity. Increase automation to 7 to 9 for older products. New products can start at automation 3 if you have cash. Expand capacity, especially in fast-growing segments like low-end or high-end. Use your budget wisely. Avoid over-investment early. Expand gradually to maintain financial balance. Step 6. HR decisions. If available in Round 3, enable the human resources module. Set recruiting spend at around $5,000. Set training hours between 30 and 80 hours. Well-trained workers increase productivity and reduce labor cost per unit over time, a huge competitive edge by rounds 4 to 8. Step 7. Finance decisions. Financial health is essential. In round 3, we recommend issue stock to raise funds for R&D, marketing, and capacity expansion. Use current debt to cover working capital if needed. Pay a small dividend if your net income allows. Try to maintain cash above $30,000 to $50,000 to avoid emergency loans. Monitor your pro forma cash flow carefully after all decisions are entered. Step 8. Analyze income statement after entering all decisions. Review your pro forma income statement. Here's what you want to see: high net sales. This shows market acceptance. Contribution margin above 35%. Net profit margin around 5 to 6% is acceptable at this stage, as you're still investing heavily in growth. Losses in early rounds are normal if you're building for future advantage. Stay focused on round 4 to 8 payoff. Step 9. Full decision summary. Let's quickly review all round 3 actions. Checkmark updated existing products, R&D. Checkmark added new product in growth segment. Checkmark reduced price by 50 cents. Checkmark increased promotion and AMP sales budgets. Checkmark forecasted demand based on last round. Checkmark adjusted production plus capacity plus automation. Checkmark allocated HR budget if unlocked. Checkmark issued stock and managed finance. Checkmark reviewed pro forma statements for validation. If all of this is done correctly, your team should see top sales and profit results like the example on screen. Final words: what to expect next. If you applied this round 3 strategy correctly, your sales and profit will be significantly ahead of your competitors by the end of this round. You will see highest unit sales in your segment, strong contribution margin, growing cumulative profit, and from round 4 to round 8, the game gets even more exciting. You'll begin to double your sales and profits and maintain the top position across all metrics. This strategy works. It's been tested across hundreds of games. Learn and win at the same time. Capsim is not just about winning, it's about learning how to make strategic business decisions. So every round, make sure you understand which reports matter, learn how to calculate your own forecasts, practice decision making, not just copying. Ask questions, experiment, and review your outcomes. If you'd like personalized support, you can send your ID and password, and I can help you with your decisions. You'll also receive detailed explanations so you can learn while progressing. Right finger round 1 and round 2 support is completely free. Right finger full support for 8 rounds is available for a small fee. Right finger contact imbahelp2002@gmail.com or imbasm1999@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Best of luck, and I look forward to seeing you lead your Capsim industry with confidence and top results. Let's win this together.